Yeah. I put out some information. For me, this was yesterday. Right. For me, this was yesterday. Okay. So I just want to let you know that that information wasn't correct. It wasn't never Catalink. It was my printer. Again, not a hypocrite. All right. So the information wasn't correct. It wasn't Catalink that was throwing an issue. It's my printer. The paper sensor is shot. Yeah. There's two ways you can fix this. You can get a new paper sensor, replace the printer. Do I want to fix it? Nah, I don't want to fix it. It's a mess to get into that print head, and then you got to take the print head apart just to get the sensor out. And quite honestly, I don't want to deal with that. Mentally, I'm not there. So, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what you're gonna do. You have to replace the paper sensor, so you gotta buy a new paper sensor. I don't know where one is, and I'm not gonna look for one. So at this point, replacing the printer is going to be my go-to. I just don't want to deal with it. But if you want to fix it, just replace the paper sensor, and you're good to go. And I'm gonna show you the problem I'm having. So, on Catalink, I'm trying to print this thing right here. Okay. So what I'm gonna hit the print button. I have the sheet ready to go. I want to show you what it does. Alright, so I put my sheet in. If you want to know how long the sheet is 22 inches. That's how long that sheet is. Alright, and yes, you have to fold it. Usually my top is down, but because I want to show you what I'm doing, this is why it's up. So what's going to happen to the print head? So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to hit print. Sorry. No, look, see. This is what's going to happen. So if you're having this issue, your problem is your paper sensor. I said it was Catalink, but it wasn't Catalink. Catalink was not doing this error. It was just my printer that was doing it, and it's the paper sensor. Look what this does. Here goes the sheet. Sheet come in, and it spits it right out. There comes the paper, see? And then you get that error. Okay? So, the error has nothing to do with Catalink. Catalink. Has nothing to do with Catalink. It's your printer paper sensor that's malfunctioning. It can be from your motherboard that's malfunctioning, or it can be from a paper sensor that's malfunctioning. It can be coming from two places. And because I don't want to try to figure out which one it's coming from, I'm not even going to try to attempt it. I'm just going to replace the printer and call it a day. That's just how I roll. I don't have time to be fucking with these things. Alright? You can mess with it if you want to. I just don't want to deal with it. I mean, I know I can fix it. I have the knowledge to fix it. I just don't want to deal with it. Not today. My neck hurts. My back hurts. My parts of my chest hurts. And mentally, I'm just not there. So, I'm not going to deal with it. I'm just going to let you know how to fix it. If you want to fix it, those are your options. Fix it. Replace your motherboard or replace your paper sensor. But I would start at paper sensor first. If your paper sensor, if you replace the paper sensor and you still having an issue, then it's your motherboard that's giving the issue. I did all the firmware updates on the printer. I updated my printer drivers on my computer. I updated Catalink, and I'm still having an issue, so I know for a fact it's a paper sensor that's causing it. So anybody who ever have this issue and you wonder why you're having it, just know it's a paper sensor that's doing it. Now you can use a paper method behind there. You can use the tape method that people like to use. I absolutely hate it. I'm not doing it. I can do my paper trick. I have videos where I put a strip of paper behind it. I could do that and it would work. Don't want to do that either. It's just too much work, and I just rather not deal with it. Bunch of extra steps. Just don't want to deal with it. So I'm just gonna just replace the printer, call it a day. Less headache for me, less stress for me, less bullshit I gotta deal with. And in that case, what you do is, because I know that print head is still good, it's not clogged, not jammed up anything, I'm just gonna flush it, get it cleaned up, and just take the print head out, scrap the printer, and just get a different printer. And then that way I have both a print head, I have an extra print head, and a different printer whenever I decide to buy one. Alright? Those are my solutions. You can come up with your own solution. You can fix your own printer. You can, you can fix it. You can buy all that stuff. If that's better for you, you go that way. But my route is, I'm just going to take the printhead out, scrap the printer. Some places do give you a trading value for scrap printers. So you scrap it and they'll give you some money back for it. It can be like probably $50 or something like that. Some places they don't care. They just, you give us back your excuse me, buy a brand new printer and to hell with you. But because I had a second printer sitting down, I'm gonna just wait till the Epson 8550 goes on sale, and then I buy another one. That's why I always have two of them. Always have two, and then I have time to sit down and wait. Now when one goes on sale, I buy while it's on sale. If your country don't ever go on sale, then you just buy it whenever. But I always have to, just for cases like this, where just days I just can't, months, weeks, days, I can't do anything because my neck hurts. It just hurts really bad right now. It hurts. I'm never gonna try to explain how much it hurts. Alright? So, peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.